Hi guys, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of our Mentor and Mentee program. In this video, we have with us Daksh Kagrani. He has done his articleship from PricewaterhouseCoopers, or as we famously call it, the Big Four. He has done 2 years of articleship in audit department and has mainly been plotted in the financial sector, been plotted on clients in the financial services sector. He's here with us to share his experience in a Big Four by answering a couple of our questions. So, hi Daksh, can you let us know
Hi.
uh, work you were exposed to in your department in PwC?
Yeah. So hello everyone. So to start with, an article in PwC can get majorly into four departments: audit of financial services, non-financial services, a tech assurance department, and transfer pricing. So just to give a brief about these four departments, audit of financial services include companies like banks, mutual funds, NBFCs, broking entities, and etc. And non-financial services includes the infrastructure companies, the manufacturing industry, and stuff. Tech assurance is not, it is an internal department. So it basically audits the automated controls of each and every company which we audit. So it assists the core assurance team in auditing the companies. I am associated with auditing of financial services companies. So in my 2 years of experience, I was mainly associated with the audit of NBFCs, banks, mutual funds. If I talk about exposure part, in the first year, it completely depends upon the client which you get. For example, if it is listed or a big private limited company, then your area of expertise will only be limited to the balance sheet items, or to be more precise, the cash in bank and the property, plant, and equipment. Or if you are lucky enough, then you can get the loan portfolio testing too. But as you go further, it completely depends upon you, how you ask for more areas or how you represent your work after self reviewing to your seniors. So if they are satisfied enough, you might even get a chance to do an entire audit of a small private limited company and directly give the review to the senior partners or the engagement partner on that particular client. And that's a very big thing considered to be in a big four. So yeah, that's about it for this question.
Wow, that was quite detailed. So the next question is, how is the work culture at your firm, and were you able to manage your CA final preparations along with the work articleship?
Okay, so this particular question is a very subjective question, I believe, because it mainly depends upon two things. First, your team, and second, yourself. So normally, first year articles are very much excited to do work as it's their first year in corporate life, and they tend to make a very big mistake, which is saying yes to everyone who asks for your help. I will say it's okay to help them, but helping them out of your own personal time and comfort is a mistake. I feel it. So once you start doing this, now everyone in your team knows that you are flexible enough and you have ruined your next 2 years of your articleship. So if I say from my experience, I am struggling with my portion of CA final because I started saying yes at the starting and then the first 6 months of my articleship. So it's difficult to manage CA final studies if you start saying yes at the start.
Okay. And so the next thing which I think every article or every anybody who is starting their articleship wants to know, like, what kind of future opportunities does one get if he or she has done their articleship in Big Four in audit, especially.
So talking about future opportunities over here, I will again divide my reply here in two parts. First, if you have done your articleship in audit in a big four and want to make a career in audit itself, so here in PwC, it's a very great opportunity. Since when I joined in 2019, we had around 160 to 170 people in our department, in the FS department to be precise, which has reduced significantly. Now, some people might think that it's a very negative thing that people are leaving PwC and the FS department, but I will tell you that there is a hidden positive side also, that the promotions will happen even faster. So in PwC, right now, the promotions are due in every 2 to 3 years. And based on your performance, you get it up to a certain level. Post that, you need your client portfolio so that you can get your promotion post director level. Second is you're doing articleship and audit in a big four and want to land up a job in an industry. So you are highly probable that you would land up in any big company in the accounts department, audit department, or either the treasury department after doing articleship in statutory audit. So if you are pursuing something else with CA like CFA or CS or corporate law, you might even get better opportunities in future. Yes, that's it.
Thanks for this, Daksh. Can you tell us how your audit experience in PwC helped you or is actually helping you in CA final studies?
Well, to be very honest about this question, over here it hasn't helped me a lot. And I will back my answer by saying that the practical experience which right now I am getting in statutory audit in PwC is not like, it won't match the theory which is to be studied in ICI modules. So of course you get a very good understanding regarding the financial statements of big companies or maybe the financial statements in general, but it personally hasn't helped me a lot in my CA final preparation. So can't comment any much over here.
Okay, great. Also, if one were to select between a Big Four and a mid-sized company, which one would you recommend and why?
I would, of course, recommend a Big Four, but it's not because I have been doing my articleship in a Big Four, but people generally have a narrow thinking over here. Like if you're working in a Big Four, the work-life balance wouldn't be that great, or it wouldn't uh, be enough for your CA final, or you might have to delay your attempt. But it's not the case over here. Like if I tell you about my particular case, it has been very good. I was able to manage my work-life balance a lot over here. Of course, it depends upon your team also, but yes, you can definitely manage your CA final studies with uh, doing articleship in a Big Four. And the other great, like if you want me to tell an advantage about doing an articleship in a Big Four and not doing it in a mid-size, it also gives you a great exposure to big multinational companies. Like they know that you have handled a pressure after working in a Big Four. I've audited big companies who have similar softwares to which you have audited. And of course, you build your network over here. Like in every attempt, there are more than 60 to 70 articles who are joining PwC. And of course, you get to build a very great network over here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite true. What would be the one final advice that you would give to any student who is selecting his articleship?
So the final advice I would give here, I would like to segregate this particular thing in three different parts. One, you can always start your articleship in a Big Four and then join a mid-size or a small size firm.
Definitely.
If you want to, in the next 2 years, if you want to concentrate on your studies as the CA final. Second, I would say that you can do your articleship, the entire articleship in a Big Four. Of course, you get a jump in your designation. Like you are an article right now. Once you are a qualified chartered accountant, you'll be a senior associate or an assistant manager after you clear your chartered accountancy. And your CV looks very strong after doing articleship in a Big Four in 3 years. And the third, which is one of my favorite category, is that as like if you all don't know that there is a new ICI guideline which is there, like you can do industrial training after 1.5 years of your articleship, and the last 1.5 years you can do industrial training. This is very much beneficial for each and every individual if you don't want to pursue your future in audit specifically. If you want to go into the industry, then you should of course take the third category, like do 1.5 years in a Big Four, and then you can go for industrial training in any of the multinational companies.
That was very insightful, Daksh. A really big thank you from me and Manisha and all the viewers for sparing the time and being there with us. To all the users, if you have any further doubts, if you need any further guidance on selecting articleship or any issues as a CA final student, please register for our mentorship program. You can find the link in the a Google form link in the description box below. And in case if you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us. That's it from us today. Hope have a very nice day ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.